Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to our channel Cute Little Ideas. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification button. Today we'll make a fluttering butterfly home decor. Let's get started. Take 8 bamboo skewers and cut the tips. Arrange them like this. Stick them with hot glue gun. Once it dries, paint the frame gold. I have used gold metallic paint. Let it dry. We have printed out a butterfly's outline from the web. Now let's stick this outline on the plastic bottle using Fevistick. Then cut it out. Once done, remove the paper. Now using a ruler, bend the wings this way. This will give a nice shape to the butterfly. Now smoothen the edges using the tip of a hot glue gun. It's time to paint the butterfly. I have used gold metallic paint. Apply another coat of paint once it dries. Once it dries, draw patterns on it using gold outliner. If you don't have this outliner, you can also use glitter glue. You can fill colors as you like. Once it is completely dry, fix the antenna. I have used a wire for this. Now let's attach it to the butterfly. A golden butterfly is ready. Now we are going to make a small flower from glitter sheet. For this, draw a circle. Draw spiral design inside the circle. Cut it out with the scissor. Roll the strip like this and stick the bottom with hot glue. The cute little flower is ready. We have to make 3 more flowers like this. Now we'll cut out leaves from green foam sheet. Here are the flowers we made. Let us stick all these to the frame. The frame is now ready. To make it stand on the table, we are going to make small support pieces. Cut out 4 triangular pieces from cardboard. Stick 2 pieces together. Stick the other 2. Attach the pieces to the back of the frame. Now take the butterfly. Stick threads to the wings and tie to the center of the frame. Butterfly is now ready to flutter. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, tell us how well your craft came out in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.